Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. This is my aquaponics project. We're going to start it, a little series of it. I am marking out my area for my IBCs to set in. I'm going to have three flooding drains. I'm going to have the sump. I'm going to have one, maybe two for fish, and I'm going to have possibly two continuous beds as a float bed. So let's continue laying out our weed cloth. Look, it's trying to rain. It's sprinkling a little bit. Gotta hunt it a little bit longer. My camera's not water resistant, so if it rains too much, we have to probably switch for the day. Reposition the camera a little bit. Our area is going to be at least a little over 16 foot long, and I think about 13 or 15 foot wide. I have to measure that to make sure. I had some crazy lumber laying around already, 2x4s. I did go get some more. I went ahead and made sure they were straight and everything. Didn't really matter about the knots, but I did pick out the more cleaner looking boards. We're going to fill this in with that little pea gravel to keep the weeds and stuff from growing. This weed cloth is supposed to have a 5-year warranty on it for weeds not to go through. So if we get anywhere close to that, I'd be happy. I got some 10-inch spikes. Really a pilot hole. These are the same size as my nails, but in wood, when you drill a hole in wood like that, sometimes your fibers will try to come back together, makes it tight. You either can go ahead and drive these through as they are, or you can use a little spray oil or something on there. It don't matter. Drive them in the ground. I'm going to put 3 spikes to per 8-foot board, and here the smaller ones I'm going to put 2 in them. This may change though. This I ain't made mine up yet, but I may double these boards up. Get a little higher and interlock them together. Make the base a little stronger. Don't know for sure yet. I may not. Can't get you a close up of me drilling a hole. Let me reposition the camera. Somebody can put us from the end. I think I hit a rock. That one's didn't go all the way down. That's okay. I'm driving these in with a little 3-pound sled hammer. This bifocal's driving me crazy. Can't see with them, can't see without them. Let's put one in the middle. Yeah, pause momentarily and finish this and come back and show you the finished one. Here you go, everybody. We got all the boards down. It is going to be roughly a 16 by 20. It's awful close to it. It doesn't like much. That's probably clean big enough for me. Of course, I can always go down if I want to. I'm going to put my fish container here. I'll probably put 3 grow beds here with my sump. We'll probably put 2 raft beds right here. It may change, it may not, I don't know for sure yet. So we're going to end the video on this one. This will be a multi-part video. Then I may combine them into one long video if you want to watch it all at one time. Just let me know in the comments. Thanks once again for watching and have a wonderful day. It's getting ready to rain, I got to put tools up.